Mujumurigire kionga chinsebire hetogo chaka na roboti rwe kiama kia Jubilee yogotebe kana na ritukuria rero magega yeke gose magega yekiombe ekanene ekyo getenenete oborai bwe kiama ekyo kimagete na neki kumira na ritukuria rero imwe mocho Nairobi ikenya kwa gikorawa mono murai bwe kiama ekyo Mosike Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta ni okenya kwa ko mojora kebene mwasiri mukoro Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i muna omokonyi bo murayo monne bwe kiama ekyo ngana boigo ya nyaka bagigosegetwa na kwani kibona ni garage kubaga kurwanira ikiro kyo burai bwense ase obochore bane bo mwaka bwechiriwe na 2025 gwetira se kiama ekyo gia Jubilee munago tumenye mulikito Sam Miyenda
Bwatakana nege karogia korekana ritukoria rero gie kiama gia Jubilee ekyo giakora okuigwana rero gwetara asomurikyo monene bwe kiama ekyo Jeremiah Kioni nigo egeikara ekyo giekiranwa no yorengo muraibe nsoka no Mosike Uhuru Kenyatta oyunande oiro muraibe kiama ekyo.
And these are resolutions after quite some lengthy deliberations, but resolutions that were arrived at unanimously. And you also note that this is our first NEC meeting since we had our NDC some few weeks ago.
Nigo abarai baikirana okuigwana gwoko mochora Daktari Fred Matiang'i unomokonyi bo muraibe kiama ekyo.
We as NEC also have appointed Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i as our deputy party leader going forward and representing our party leader or deputizing our party leader and actually being the face of our party going forward, given that our party leader is not always available.
Aseboigo bairari bagerio kumuraria kobo murwaniri bene bwe kiama ekyo asobochori bole bosio.
On top of that, we also received formally his application to be the presidential candidate or Jubilee presidential candidate, and the NEC approved, resolved that he now carries the flag of Jubilee Party as our presidential candidate, and even as he goes to the United Opposition, he goes there in that capacity, and also
Kioni gagukwana nabali kiamangana nigo anekia okwerobere gwe kiama ekigwetera asokokora monchoreria au rio kweroberia kuchia asobochori bole bosio.
We needed to have a whip within the National Assembly, and the whip of our National Assembly now, following the resolution by NEC, is Honorable Samuel Arama. Our whip for the Senate, again following the resolution, is Senator James Romenin. We also have Bwana Kagwe acting as our ED as we continue working on other issues around the same place. So Kagwe is our AD going forward.
Goikera bona iga ni gorogongorwa gusiro bwa tabakonyi babarai babere mugabana bwe county ya Kisii Simbarati uyore omokonyi bo muraibe kiama gia ODM na bona iga ni go Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i hasoire aserombeywe wetera asokoba omokonyi bwe kiama gia Jubilee. Kuripoti rege tasini kiage tembe nchen Sam Miyenda.